Hello friends, I'm Meenakshi Rathore, your C2B coach. Thank you for watching my channel and subscribe it to get the latest update on the upcoming videos. So today's topic is health versus money. Nowadays we are going through health crisis, pandemic situation, and which is causing a lot of economical crisis also. So to have a good uh, result, we need to manage both. Why do we make money? We make money to survive, to fulfill our daily needs, and for emergencies. And what are the emergencies? Emergencies are like if something goes wrong in our life, we should be able to survive for a certain period of time. And if we fall sick, then we should have enough money to take care of ourselves and our family. So, so the daily needs are essential. We cannot cut down on it. But is there something else which we can cut down on? Yes, our emergency fund on our health. If we are healthy in present, we will have better health in future. Hence, the less chance of falling sick, and hence have more money for our daily needs. We don't need to spend a lot of money on our health issues. But are we taking care of our health? Some of us are, and some of us don't. And some make efforts, but they are not getting the desired results. And why is that? Because sometimes we are aware that health is important and we are taking care of it, but we are not taking care of it in a right way. I am a pranic healer also, so let's talk about what is the effective and a proper way to take care of our health. In India, we all know that our body is made up of five elements, Panchabhutas. So, what are they and how they affect our health? So, one is that earth, second is water, third is fire, fourth is air, and fifth is space. So, how those elements involved in our body? Let's talk about it. Earth is how earth is involved. All the plant based food which we consume are from earth, so that fulfill the earth aspect of it. So when we are eating food, if it is plant based, it contributes towards building a proper earth element. So green leafy vegetables, fruits, salads, nuts, dates, etc. And second is water. So water is very essential, and it is kind of a cleanser for our body, and it eliminates all the toxins out of the body. And third is fire. From where we balance the fire element? Sunlight. If we do sunbathing and we spend enough time in sun, it takes care of our fire element and keep the body in good health. And fourth is the air, from where we balance the air element through our breathing. When we breathe properly, it balances the air element in our body. And the proper way of breathing is breathing from the stomach, not from the chest. And nowadays, I have experienced and noticed a lot of teenagers, they are not able to do deep breathing from stomach. They feel tired, exhausted, and they start to huff and puff after 4 5 breaths only. So to take a deep breath from stomach is very important. So any kind of whatever you are doing, you can do the deep breathing with that. If you're reading, then also you can do deep breathing. You're cooking, you're cleaning, any kind of work you're doing, you can deep breathe. Initially, it'll be difficult. You will not be able to do much more, but keep doing it. Initially, you will take one or two breaths, three, four breaths, and then gradually it will increase. So what happens in our body when we breathe from stomach? It expand our lungs. So we are able to consume and inhale more oxygen in our body, which rejuvenates our cell. And when we exhale, it uh, expel all the carbon dioxide from the body. So if we are doing the breathing well, it keeps that air element balance in our body. And fifth is the ether element. Ether element is space. So how space in our body contributes towards our good health and how to use space in our body? Our body needs space to do a better digestion and expel the toxins out of the body. How to do that? Through fasting. When we fast, we do not eat. It provides our body space to digest the food and expel it out of the body. So the toxins doesn't accumulate and it works as a detox. I hope that makes sense. So we'll talk about more in details about these elements and how to detox our body and what are the various detox channels in our body. So stay tuned. So next week on Tuesday, I'll upload the next video about this. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.